These are the 3 most common mistakes that I see students make that you're probably going to make as well if you don't watch this video. I'm going to tell you how to avoid and really maximise your chances of success, reaching your full potential. My name's Tilly, I got 5 A-stars in my A-levels, majority grade 9 at GCSE. These are lessons I've learned from my own mistakes, but also my students' mistakes, because I've been tutoring for many years. Without further ado, let's get into it so that you don't make these mistakes as well. Number 1, not looking at the specification. It doesn't matter how good your teacher is. It doesn't matter how good your teacher is. They have probably missed out something from the specification. I had a really great A-level economics teacher, but he missed out a very small, minute, nuanced detail of the specification. A-level economics students, it's called the Easterlin paradox. And it came up in the exam, but luckily, because I looked at that specification, I knew what it was, because I'd made sure to go and teach it to myself. And everybody else in my class was like, what was that? So you need to be consistently cross-referencing what you're doing in class to the specification. I genuinely recommend when you learn something, go and write down which specification point it is and what you need to know for it. Because you can't be asked anything that's not on the specification. You can be taught things that are not on the specification. Number 2, students that are just learning and remembering things are not linking topics together. Like treating every topic as if it is in isolation of all the others. No matter what GCSE, what A-level it is, this is never the case. Whether it be math. So those questions at the back of the paper that link like 3 topics together and they're really hard, you need to use a variety of mathematical tools to get the question right and get a grade. Now, you won't be able to do that without A, practicing, or B, understanding how the topics link. Or particularly importantly, in essay subjects, so something like English. If you're learning the theme of guilt in an inspector course and just having this in complete isolation from the character of Mr. Burling, why? You need to understand that this character portrays some aspects of this theme. There are links everywhere between characters, between themes, between, you know. Same for history. Just because you're doing the Cold War doesn't mean there aren't links between that and the Vietnam War. And I understand that there are different papers in history, but there are obviously naturally links still happening at the same time. Number 3, and the biggest mistake I consistently see people make, is thinking amount of time spent studying equals things learned. No. If you spend 12 hours a day rewriting your notes or copying out of a textbook, this is so much less effective revision than if you spent maybe 2 or 3 hours doing active recall, blurting, flashcards, past papers, SQ4R, Feynman, so many more. I've written them all down in Sustainable Study Secrets, so click the link in my bio if you want to see that. But just essentially assuming if they spend longer doing revision, then it's going to mean that they get better grades. It's absolutely not true. It's about working on your weaker areas and utilising active recall, utilising the right study method. And I post videos on how you can find the right study methods for you and daily study tips, so be sure to follow me so you don't miss out. And be sure to save this video for later if you found it helpful.